Do you want to learn how to perfectly personalize your marketing messages for success? Today we'll explain how to utilize the conversion funnel for your inbound marketing strategy. The conversion funnel is a graphic representation of the buyer journey or the process that the user follows in all the phases of inbound marketing. We call it a funnel because in each stage, your audience will get smaller and smaller, but they will also be more qualified. The conversion funnel consists of 3 phases. The TOFU stage, or the top of the funnel, where there are thousands of users. The MOFU stage, or the middle of the funnel, where we have a few hundred users. And finally, the BOFU stage, or the bottom of the funnel. This is the part where the final conversion is made, where we have dozens of users. The conversion funnel has been used for many years in marketing, especially in inbound marketing, but HubSpot has introduced a new concept, the flywheel. In the flywheel, instead of following a traditional conversion process, we put the customer in the center of the process and create a momentum for the conversion strategy by focusing on attracting, engaging, and delighting customers. This is a great model from HubSpot, and we'll dig a bit deeper into it in a future video. In this video, we'll focus on a traditional funnel. Let's take a better look at the 3 different stages of the conversion funnel. The TOFU stage is the top of the funnel and corresponds to users who begin to have a need but do not yet know how to solve it. They're starting to do some initial research. In the TOFU stage, we want to offer generic content that attracts users and answers their questions. This can be ebooks, videos with information about a keyword or a specific sector, or some kind of survey or white paper that we have already developed. At this stage, we want to pay attention to the first interaction. For some users, the best channels are organic positioning, and for others, they may be social media videos or posts that you've made. The best way to reach out to these users is by understanding your buyer personas and knowing how your audience likes to receive their content. When users reach the MOFU stage, or the middle of the funnel, they are now interested in a product that are getting closer to the purchasing process. This is the moment they are going to investigate, which means we need to prepare content that is relevant for the phase of the buyer journey. For example, we can create case studies, product demonstrations, or comparisons. It could also be a good idea to create Q&A that you can share with users. In this stage, it's important that the first interaction initiates a final conversion. As a diffusion tool, we can use social media, keywords that have to do with the purchase or product conversion, email marketing to our database, or even retargeting actions in which we impact users who have already shown interest in the product. The BOFU stage, or the bottom of the funnel, is the end of the conversion funnel. It is the moment of truth, the time where we try to convert a user into a customer and bring them to make their first transaction. In this stage, we can give them some final support, whether it's a call with your sales department, a sales visit, or even offering a free trial or discount. They already have all the necessary information to make a decision, so now we are positioning ourselves as a reference or as a company that is going to provide them with the most value. The goal at the BOFU stage is to encourage that final conversion. There you have it. Thank you for reviewing the conversation funnel of inbound marketing with us. If you have enjoyed this video, give us a like and check out our other videos of the fundamentals of inbound marketing. If you like what you see there, consider subscribing to get even more.